Hey there, survival warriors. Today we're diving into the essential topic, top 15 forever foods for survival. Whether you're preparing for emergencies or stocking up your bug-out bag, these foods are your best allies. First on our list, honey. It's packed with nutrients and has an indefinite shelf life. Next, dried beans and legumes. They're protein-rich and store well for years. Don't forget canned fish like tuna or salmon. They provide essential omega-3s and stay fresh for a long time. Moving on to rice, a versatile staple that's easy to store and cook. Oats make the cut too. They're nutritious, filling, and perfect for breakfast or baking. Pasta is another winner, offering carbohydrates for energy and long shelf life. Canned vegetables retain their nutrients and can be a lifesaver in a crisis. Powdered milk is a smart choice for calcium and protein needs. Nuts and seeds are high-energy snacks that store well and provide essential fats. Dried fruits offer vitamins and natural sugars for sustained energy. Instant coffee or tea can provide comfort and a caffeine boost. Whole grains like quinoa or barley are nutrient-dense and easy to cook. Dark chocolate for morale and antioxidants is surprisingly long-lasting. Freeze-dried meals are lightweight, convenient, and have a long shelf life. And finally, don't overlook salt and spices to enhance flavor and nutrition. Remember, stocking up on these forever foods ensures you're prepared for any situation. If you found this video helpful, click here for a more detailed version. For additional life-saving tips, visit isurvivethrive.com and subscribe to our channel. Stay prepared out there.